Hi, so today I'm gonna make chicken pizza. I have my dough here, and I made it a couple hours ago. So it's rice. Then I made it into this big ball, and I put it here for about 10 minutes. It's been sitting here just to rise a little more, and I flatten it in here. So this is my oven tray. So I flatten in here, oiled my tray, and then I just flatten it, and then I poked it with my fingers, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna be using pizza sauce, and chicken is here. So I have a couple chicken breast that I cut it and I cooked it first, then added half onion to it and brought it to sizzle. Then I added 1 can of mushrooms. You can add fresh mushrooms as well. And salt and black pepper for season. So that is it. And I just made it a little golden brown, and that's it. So that's gonna go on here. And some the green peppers and cheese, of course. And you can add any other veggies if you like olives or pineapple, or whatever you like. So I'm just going to put a sauce on here. And I preheated my oven to 470 on bake. So this is gonna bake, and the bottom is gonna be made. Sometimes the top is made with it, or you could just turn the boil on for a few seconds to get that golden brown, but usually it's cooked together. So I'm just gonna put my sauce on here. Add more sauce. And I'll put sauce on here, and then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on here. And then after cheese, I'm gonna add my the chicken and mushrooms. So I'll just add some cheese on here. You can put a little bit on it because I'm gonna put after again, so just some in the bottom, just like that. And then I'm gonna be adding the chicken and mushrooms. And as I said, you can add any veggies to it that you like, but today is just gonna be, I usually add black olives too, but I don't have it, so. And you can put as little as a lot you want. So I'm going to put all my chicken and mushrooms and green peppers. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks like. I put it all the chicken, mushrooms, and green peppers. I love green peppers, so I put lots on it. And it's up to you. You can put as many as you like. Now I'm gonna put my cheese on it. That's how I put cheese. Again, you can put as much as cheese you like. This is mozzarella cheese, and you can add some Parmesan cheese as well, or feta cheese if you like. You can add those things to it too, but this is how it looks. Now it's gonna go in the oven. So here's my pizza. It's still in the oven, and if I check the bottom, it's almost done. So I'm gonna bring it to the top and for a few more minutes, and then so my pizza's still in here. I put it the second one in the bottom, and that one is on the top. So while that's made, and the top one should get golden brown, which is kind of starting a little bit, as you can see, but not done yet. So this is how my pizza looks like. I didn't turn the boil on, it's just got golden brown from the bake, and now I'm going to cut it. I'll show you the slices. So this is how it looks like. And that's how you make homemade pizza. It obviously tastes great, and you can make it cheese or just chicken. I have one just chicken in there, and try making it at home. It's obviously cheaper and tastes better. So I hope you enjoy making it and eating it. Thanks for watching.